In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct ingredients of the infant gastric juice. For this, let me understand the gastric gland location in the gastric pit. The gastric gland or the gastric pit is having the varieties of cells to make varieties of ingredients so that it will make a viable gastric juice for supporting the protein digestion and lipid digestion. Surface mucous cell and mucor neck cell are responsible for making the mucus. Parental cell secretes hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor. Chief cell secretes pepsinogen and gastric lipase. G cell secretes gastin. With all the specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. Why? Because this option B, enzyme pepsinogen, lipase and renin are responsible for bringing protein and lipid digestion, unlike the option A, C and D. So we choose a pepsinogen, lipase and renin. It is an important enzyme in the infant's stomach. It does the very good amount of protein and lipid digestion. With all the specification, we are giving an elaborative point to take the NEET notes for future reference. Pepsinogen, an inactive enzyme converted into active form, that is pepsin, by the action of acid present in the stomach. So it is facilitating dietary protein cleavage. If you're talking about the lipase, it is supporting the triglyceride conversion into free fatty acid and alcohol. Renin is a proteolytic component blended by stomach. Its role is to sour or coagulate milk. Amylase enzyme responsible for breaking the complex starch into simple sugar. Maltase is responsible for maltose digestion. If you're talking about the nuclease enzyme, this enzyme does the conversion of the nucleic acid into nucleotide. So nucleic acid digestion will be maintained more appropriately. With all the specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.